Good evening, everyone, and welcome to tonight's class. So this is probably the last class for this master class. We've come a long way. It's been a wonderful journey. So we will wrap it up tonight. So first, you import pandas, import numpy, matplotlib. So we've done this already. We've done all these parts already. So this is a part 2 of Matplotlib. We've done all these parts, so I will just go straight to the business of today. So this is where we are now. So this is where we are. Who is this person? Block this person. So this is where we are. We are going to analyze using our data set. The one we did was we imputed a data set here, just simple data, then we did the first part. So now we are going to import a data set from our local computer. So I have this particular data imported. So this is a data. So I will just do .add5 till you understand all this. .tail. Task 1. Plot the column geography using a bar chart. So this is just like saying in SQL, select geography, count everything from table name, group by geography. So this is just like doing something like that. So if I take this down here, okay, so I'll just have something like this. If I do it like that, I'll just have something like the geography. Then we have France, Germany, and Spain. We have 5,014 from France, just like group by. Now you can present this to a stakeholder, so you are going to use graphs. So to use graphs, you now add dot plot into bracket. What is the type of graph? That is bar chart. So and it will give you this France, Germany, Spain. You can do horizontal bar chart. You have something like this, so anyone you choose. So that is just okay. I've done this already, so that is just it. Okay, this is the horizontal. So now we have this one again, exited. This is just about people that have left the company. This is it. People that left the company, people that are active member and inactive member. So it's just like the name of the data frame dot exited dot value count plot. So with this now, you can easily count how many people that have left the company. You can do something like this. You can do something like this. So you can do something like this. So you can do something like this. Data frame is seated dot value counts divided by length, the length of times. So just see the percentage of people that have left. To see the percentage, 790 is still active and 20.37. I think yeah. So that is how you can do it. You want to look at it in a percentage way, you just do it like this. You can see the code. So you can as well count it. You have like 10,000, just like we did. Okay, like I said, I've recommended that you guys should look at you guys should look at numpy. Look at numpy, and you can look at cbones too. It's your own spare time. Look at numpy, especially numpy. Cbones is another library for plotting charts, like just like Matplotlib, but Matplotlib is widely used, so you can look at it too. Cbones. So this is a cbone something. This is about cbones. You can see how it is done in cbones. Ax equals to, so cbone there, you import cbone as sns, so dot count. So this is how you plot with cbones. Then geography versus estimated salary. You can plot something trying to see two things: geography, estimated salary dot mean, the color. So just have something like this. It's almost the same thing. So the charts, the France, Spain, Germany, they're almost the same. So you can plot dot bar, a bar chart, geography, estimated salary dot maximum dot the color, each color. So just impute all this. Each color orange, which is this orange color, this border color. So font it, the font size, the color greens. So just try this out on your own and look at it. Plotting gender versus age, see the same thing. Gender, age dot max, so see the same thing. Then scatter plot, gender and the age and the tenor. Plot dot scatter, the name of the data frame, then square bracket, age, same tenor. Plot dot title, scatter plot, x axis age and y tenor plot show. So just see tenor, just see age, tenor, and so this is scatter chart. You can browse about to know more about scatter plots. So chunk dot tenor, to see the tenor of people. This person is 2, 8. This particular person is 10. So if you want to see their tenor, you can just do this dot tenor. You see their tenor. So histogram, plot dot probability, tenor, show, histogram, chart. So you just copy this. So you try all this out using your own data. I think the data you are using, any data you are using, you just try something like this out. Then let's come to this. I have a data label x equals to javascript java python r. The size of the data 15, 30, 45, 10. Explode labels. So I form this data on my own. So now I want to plot. So I want to plot the subplots. ax1 dot py, is a pie chart. Size explode equals to explode labels. Labels equals to label x. Explode equals to explode labels here. Then labels equals to the label x. How you name it here. Then shadow true. Give it a shadow. Start angle 90%. A dot axis equals show. So you have this. This explode here. If I change this to 0, I'll change this to 0 again. I'll strike. You can see that it's just everything is together. But if I want to make the JavaScript to stand on its own, I'll just do something like this. You can see now the JavaScript. So that's what it does. The subplot, they explode. So same thing here. So just play with it. Then box plot. Box. You can read about it. It's somehow technical. So this is how to plot John df tenor dot plot box. Use a box chart. Name a beta trial. I will wait. What is that beta trial? NumPy, pandas, and Matplotlib. So that is the end of it. Once you are now you've learned Python. If you want to analyze with Python, want to do something with Python libraries, so the first thing you are going to do is just import these three, because in between you use pandas, you use NumPy, you use Matplotlib together just to achieve things. So you are going to import the three. Like now inside Matplotlib we are using pandas. I believe you know that we've used pandas. Are we together? The most popular one is when you imported your data. How do you import it? It was pandas. The way you import data in pandas. So they work, three of them, they work together. So that is it. That's it. Any question? Just to take your time, go through the video, follow up with the data you have, try to do something similar like you've seen here, and you will understand better. So any question? If you are still hearing me, use emoji. Let me know if you are still with me. Okay. So in the absence of question, that means it's well understood. Then you see practice on your own. And any challenge you have, you can share in the general group. Not in my DM. I hardly respond to something in my DM. You can share your challenge in this class in the general group. If you come to my DM, it might be there forever. I might not respond because I hardly respond to something that has to do with my class when they bring it to me individually in DM. So just put it in the group. Even among you, there's someone that would have asked the same issue and I was able to figure it out. Can help you too. So that is it. In the absence of question, I will end the class. And this is the end of data analysis master class, where we've done SQL, everything about SQL, Python, how to host your project on GitHub, LinkedIn optimization, and many more. So thank you for being part of this journey, and I wish you the very best in this data analysis field. And all I can tell you is the major work now boils down to you. Ensure that you give it your all, practice, push yourself for opportunities, learn and stand out. So the major work now boils down to you. I've done my part by God's grace, and you play your part, and God will see you through. So that is it.